Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. The question says nitrates of all metals are. All metal nitrates का properties हमें दिया गया है, that is they are insoluble in water, soluble in water, unstable or colored. Key concept हमारा होगा properties of metal nitrate. तो पहला प्रॉपर्टीज हम क्या देखेंगे, इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर. हम देखेंगे सारे मेटल नाइट्रेट इनसॉल्युबल होते हैं कि नहीं होते हैं. तो दैट हम जानते हैं व्हाट इज मेटल नाइट्रेट. मेटल नाइट्रेट मींस देयर विल बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ मेटल विथ नाइट्रेट NO3 नेगेटिव. फॉर एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं एक सोडियम मेटल विथ NO3 और इसको हम बोलते हैं सोडियम नाइट्रेट विच इज अ मेटल नाइट्रेट. कमिंग टू फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीज, जहां पर हम देखेंगे मेटल नाइट्रेट्स आर insoluble. This is given. All metal nitrates are insoluble. But अगर हम देखेंगे और कंपेयर करेंगे मेनी टाइप ऑफ द मेटल नाइट्रेट, तो हम ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि मोस्ट ऑफ मेटल नाइट्रेट आर soluble in water. But यहाँ पर दिया गया है that is all metal nitrates are insoluble. Then this one will be the incorrect option. Coming to the second properties, where it is given that soluble in water. Second property is given that they are soluble in water. और solubility डिपेंड करता है किसके ऊपर. पहले होता है लैटिस एनर्जी. What is lattice energy? This is the energy required to separate positive and negative ions in lattice. और दूसरे एनर्जी के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है solubility, which is solvation energy. That is energy associated with dissolving of a solute in a solvent. जब हम solute को solvent में dissolve करते हैं, the amount of energy released or required that will be called as solvation energy. और ये दो एनर्जी के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है solubility. Depends. But in the case of metal nitrate, हम देखेंगे lattice energy of the nitrate, is less than solvation energy. Hence, those metal nitrates are soluble. These are soluble. For example, sodium, potassium nitrate are soluble. So, all metal nitrates are soluble in water will be the correct one. Coming to the third property. Third property is given that all metal nitrates are unstable, but we have seen that all metal nitrates are stable nitrates are stable. Hence, this one will be the incorrect one. And the fourth property is given that all metal nitrates are colored, but we observe some of metal nitrates are colorless. If you see in the case of zinc nitrate, this is a colorless, odorless, crystalline solid. Hence, this option or the property will not be the correct one. So this one is also incorrect. तो यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं among the given properties, the correct property is all metal nitrates are soluble in water due to the less lattice energy. And this is given in option B. So the correct option will be option B. I hope you have understood it well. All the best.